Have you ever wondered why you're losing hair? Why, despite all the care and attention you give it, you still find strands on your pillow and in your comb? Hair loss, a common issue faced by both men and women, is often seen as a cosmetic problem. But it's more than just a matter of appearance. It could be an indicator of underlying health issues. Just like the leaves falling from a tree can signal the change of seasons or a problem with the tree's health, hair loss can be a sign of changes in your body. It's a complex issue that goes beyond vanity, and understanding it requires peeling back the layers of this mystery. So whether you're a man who's noticed a thinning crown or a woman distressed by a widening part, we're here to delve into the enigma of hair loss. Remember, hair loss isn't just about vanity, it's a complex problem with various causes. Before we delve into the reasons behind hair loss, let's understand the science of hair. Each strand of hair on our heads is more than just a decorative feature. It's a living organism with a life cycle of its own. This journey begins with the anagen phase, also known as the growth phase. During this phase, which can last 2 to 7 years, hair grows about ½ an inch per month. Following the anagen phase is the catagen phase, a transitional period that lasts roughly 2 weeks. During this time, hair follicles shrink and hair growth slows. Although this phase may seem uneventful, it's a crucial part of the hair growth cycle. Then we enter the telogen phase, the resting period. This phase lasts for about 3 months, during which time old hair falls out and new hair begins to form. It's normal to lose 50 to 100 hairs per day during this phase. However, if the cycle is disrupted, hair loss can occur. Factors such as stress, hormonal imbalances, or certain medical conditions can interrupt this cycle, pushing more hairs into the telogen phase prematurely. This results in an increase in hair shedding, or what we commonly refer to as hair loss. So it's clear that hair has its own life cycle, and any disruption can cause hair fall. But don't worry, in the next segment, we'll discuss the various reasons behind hair loss and explore solutions to manage and treat it. Now that we know how hair grows, what could possibly go wrong? Let's delve into the main reasons behind hair loss. There's no single villain in this narrative, but rather a group of culprits, each playing their part. Firstly, let's discuss hormonal changes. Our bodies are a complex system of checks and balances, and hormones play a crucial role in this. For instance, women may experience hair loss during menopause when estrogen levels drop, or after childbirth due to fluctuating hormones. Men, on the other hand, might experience hair loss as a result of increased levels of dihydrotestosterone, a byproduct of testosterone. Next up is stress. We've all heard the saying, pulling your hair out with stress, right? Well, there's some truth to it. Stress can shock the hair follicles, leading them to a resting phase and causing hair loss. Now let's talk about nutrition. Just like the rest of your body, your hair needs a balanced diet to stay healthy. Lack of certain nutrients like iron and protein can cause your hair to become weak and even fall out. Certain medications could also be the culprits. Some drugs used for cancer, arthritis, depression, heart problems, and high blood pressure can cause hair loss. But remember, it's essential never to stop taking your prescribed medications without consulting your healthcare provider. Last but certainly not least, we have genetics. If you come from a family where your elders experienced hair loss at a certain age, there's a chance you might too. It's a trait passed down through generations, much like your eye color. As you can see, hair loss isn't just a result of one factor. It could be a combination of many. Understanding the causes is the first step towards finding a solution. So let's proceed to the next part of our journey where we'll explore the solutions to hair loss. Feeling a bit despondent about your hair loss? Well, don't lose hope just yet. There are several paths you can tread to potentially turn things around. Let's delve into some possible solutions. Firstly, lifestyle changes can go a long way in combating hair loss. We're talking about a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals, regular exercise to boost blood circulation, and ample sleep to let your body rejuvenate. Also, try to keep stress at bay, as it can be a major hair loss culprit. Then, there are medications. Minoxidil, a topical solution, and finasteride, an oral tablet, are 2 FDA-approved treatments for hair loss. They work by prolonging the hair growth phase and reducing hair follicle shrinkage. However, they don't work for everyone and may have side effects, so always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any medication regime. Professional treatments like laser therapy and hair transplants are another route to consider. Laser therapy uses low-level lasers to stimulate hair follicles, while hair transplants involve moving hair from a thickly grown area to a balding or thinning spot. These treatments can be costly and time-consuming, but they have shown promising results for many. Remember, everyone's hair loss journey is unique, so what works for one person might not work for another. It might take some time and trial to find the most effective solution for you. Remember, there's no magic bullet for hair loss, but with patience and persistence, you can find a solution that works for you. Hair loss is a common issue, but understanding its causes can help you tackle it effectively. We've journeyed together through the mysteries of hair loss, dived deep into the science of hair, explored the various reasons that contribute to hair loss, and finally, uncovered potential solutions to counteract this issue. Remember, hair growth and health are deeply intertwined with our overall well-being. It's not just about the right hair products, but also about maintaining a balanced diet and a stress-free lifestyle. Hair loss can indeed be daunting, but armed with the right knowledge and tools, it need not be a lifelong struggle. The journey towards healthier hair is a continuous one, and we aim to accompany you every step of the way. So before you go, don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more insightful content. Your hair deserves the best care possible, and we're here to help you give it just that.